Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Windows on a completely fresh PC using a bootable USB created from an ISO file. This works for any version of Windows, such as Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, or any future versions. So let's get started. What you just need is another working computer where you need to create the bootable USB. Then you need a USB stick which should be at least 8 GB because I guess the minimum download ISO file is 6.7 or something for Windows 10. You should have at least 8 GB or more. We need to download Windows ISO file from the Microsoft website. Then what you need is we need to create a bootable USB stick from ISO file. So we need to install some programs such as Rufus or Power ISO, or there is Windows own creation media software. We can go about with any of this. So today we'll be using Rufus. We'll be creating our bootable USB stick through ISO from Rufus. You can use either of that. Yeah, so let's get started. You can just download the Rufus from rufus.ie/en. I'll put the download link in the description. You can either download Rufus, Power ISO, and there are a bunch of other software like this. So you can also have the where is that, something Windows creation media. You can go in there and then have a look. So that is the official creation media software from Windows. Just in search engine just type Windows 11 ISO, but I'll be doing Windows 10 because I have a really old PC and it doesn't support Windows 11. I'll be doing this video in Windows 10, but the process is same. It doesn't matter what version you want, just download ISO file. I've already downloaded that. For Windows 11, just go Windows 11 ISO, go to the Microsoft website, and then just we need the ISO file. So you just need to download Windows 11, confirm, then choose the product language. I'll be choosing English United States, confirm, and then we can download. After you have downloaded the ISO file, which would be around 7.2 for Windows 11. Next, so just install the Rufus. Then just select the USB drive. Mine's 32 GB and it's drive F. After that we need to select the bootable ISO file. I'll be choosing my downloaded file, which is Windows 10. And then after that just select any option you want, but I recommend you to keep the default option. Once that is done, you need to be careful that this will format your USB drive. So if you have any important files in the USB stick, just copy that to another computer or somewhere safe, so that it won't delete that. This will format into a bootable USB stick, so everything will be gone. After all that, just start it, and I'll just do that. After 20 to 25 minutes, boot has been loaded in the USB, and it's ready to load up in the another computer and start the booting process. Once you are done, just insert the USB stick into the fresh PC and then power it on. Then you need to go to the boot menu. In my case it is F12 or delete button, so it depends on which brand you are using. For an example, HP will have the boot menu key F9, Dell, Lenovo, Acer might have F12, Asus might have escape. So it's always better to check it on the internet which brand you are using and which boot menu is for you. Yeah, so once that is done, you will go to the boot menu and then we can start the installation process from there. So just choose the language. Yeah, that's okay. United Kingdom, I will might choose United States. Keyboard layout, I will choose US, that's fine. Then we'll go next and then install now. So when you are in this setup, you can either put the product key right away, or if you don't have a product key, you can always skip that and put that later. Okay, so I'll just skip that for now. And then in this setup, you need to choose the Windows version. It's similar for Windows 11 as well. You will have bunch of options that you can choose from, but in Windows 10 we have Home, Education, Pro, and all other bunch of stuff. So choose whatever you like, based on your background and what apps you want to install. So I'll be choosing Windows 10 Pro. And then it's same for Windows 11. You have bunch of list of options, you choose one and then click next. Here you have the terms and conditions, and if you want you can read that, or if you're like me, just I accept and hit next. Then in this you have two options, either to upgrade or custom install. So upgrade means that you keep your all the files, existing files in the PC, and then just upgrade or repair the Windows installation. But the custom one is you will have a fresh install of Windows. All the files in the C drive will be lost completely. So it's better to always back up your files into the another PC or the external drives, hard drives or something like that. So it's always better to back up. And then if you are going to install the fresh PC, you need to click on custom. So in this setup we will be choosing our disk where we want to install our Windows. For my case, I have only one drive listed here. In your case, if you have a D drive or E drive, then you might have different drives as well in there. So just be careful not to format other drives, because there might be important files, and only carefully choose the C drive where you want to install the Windows. So as I have only one drive, I can either create a new partition where I might choose 100 GB just for the Windows C drive and then install the Windows in there. But I will not be doing that. I'll just install the fresh Windows in that drive. And then you might also have an option to format. Yeah, just if you have already installed Windows, the old Windows, and you want to install fresh, just it's better to format first, and then after that just follow the steps. The Windows installing, so it might take like roughly 10-15 minutes for all this process to be done. Okay, let's select the region. I'll put United States. Then keyboard layout, maybe United States International. I'll skip keeping the second layout. Then I don't have an internet. Okay, let's give the name for this PC. Okay, choose your privacy settings. I don't want to send my location or diagnostic data, maybe tailored experience, advertising ID. That would be off, that would be off. So yeah, nothing will be on. So just accept. And let's go down not now. So this might reboot a couple of times again. So and take around 5 minutes more, I guess. After nearly 30 minutes from the initial setup, we are into the Windows. So let's double check the settings, system, about, and there you go. We have our Windows 10 Pro installed. Yeah, that should be it. We have installed Windows in the fresh PC, and this goes the process same for the Windows 11 as well, or any previous versions like Windows 7, 8. Yeah, if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. That would really motivate me to bring other videos like this. I'll be coming up with another video on how to install Linux as well with the same processes, and then just installing Linux in the fresh PC as well. Yeah, if you haven't checked my video on how to install Windows or Linux in a virtual machine, I'll put that link in the end screen or in the description. So I'll see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.